Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a beautiful crochet rose bag charm. This lovely accessory can be attached to handbags, backpacks, keys, or used as a thoughtful handmade gift. Before we begin, prepare your 2.5mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Most importantly, watch until the very end. Your support motivates us to create more crochet tutorials for you. Now, let's start crocheting. First, let's make the leaf. Chain 16. Skip the first chain and work 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 slip stitch. Continue along the opposite side with 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, then chain 1. Repeat this entire sequence one more time. Great job! Take a moment to gently shape the leaf so the stitches sit neatly. Next, let's crochet the flower. For round 1, chain 29. Skip the first 4 chains from the hook and make 1 single crochet. Continue working around by chaining 2, skipping 2 chains, and making 1 single crochet into the next chain. Repeat this pattern all the way across. Excellent work! Try to keep each chain space the same size to help create even petals later. For round 2, chain 3 to begin. Into each chain, 2 space, work 6 extended stitches, then make 1 single crochet into the next single crochet. Repeat this sequence 9 times across the row. You're doing wonderfully. As the petals begin to form, you'll start to see the rose taking shape. Keep your stitches relaxed for soft and natural looking petals. Now let's make the sepal. For round 1, create a magic ring, chain 2, and work 14 half double crochets into the ring. Join with a slip stitch to finish the round. Wonderful work. Tighten the magic ring firmly so the center closes completely. For round 2, repeat the following sequence 5 times. Chain 4, make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet, then skip 2 stitches and join with a slip stitch. These pointed sections will become the flower sepals underneath the rose. Great job, your flower is almost complete. Next, make the hanging cord by chaining 70. Keep your tension even to create a smooth and sturdy cord. You can adjust the length if you'd like a longer or shorter bag charm. Finally, attach the rose securely to the center of the sepal and fasten the cord to the back. Weave in all loose ends and gently arrange the petals until you're happy with the final look. Congratulations! Your beautiful crochet rose bag charm is now complete. Thank you so much for crocheting with me today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and love your finished rose bag charm. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more crochet projects. Leave a comment below and let me know how your flower turned out. See you in the next tutorial. Happy crocheting!